How to find Wi-Fi settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Wi-Fi settings on Android phone. First, then open your settings, and then just click on your Wi-Fi here, and here you will find your Wi-Fi settings. Just click more settings, and here is it. Here you can manage your Wi-Fi settings. You can find here your saved networks or that's it. You can find here your saved networks and you can manage Wi-Fi plus, and that's it. And that's how to find Wi-Fi settings on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.